Hello and welcome to Pretty Little Clothes. I'm Virginie and today I'm going to do a design using chrome pigment. To do this design, I already applied 2 coats of serious black on my model's hand. To use the chrome pigment, we need to work on the shiny surface. That's why I'm going to apply Urban Graffiti top coat. And cure for 60 seconds. So I'm going to start with my 3 first color, gold, bronze and copper. I'm going to use the gold near the cuticle area. Then I'm gonna pick a bronze color, place it in the middle, and the last one is the copper, and I'm gonna place it on the tip of the nail. I'm gonna rub the product to make a fade effect. And I'm gonna do the same, but I'm gonna change one color. First color, the bronze one, then the copper, now I'm going to use the copper on the cuticle area, then the burgundy, love this color, and finally the amethyst. We're going to start with the burgundy, then the amethyst, and finished with the sapphire. And for the pinky, amethyst first, then sapphire, beautiful blue, and we've finished with our last color, topaz. To seal in the design, I'm gonna apply the Urban Graffiti top coat. And cure for 60 seconds. I'm gonna apply some peach cuticle oil. Here is the finished design. I hope you like the video. No. Here is the finished design. I hope you like it. All the products used are in the description box below. Until next time, au revoir!